This is the unit circle hand rule, a trick to help find the coordinates at each angle. So let's begin by picturing our hand as the angles on the coordinate of the unit circle, having our thumb be 90 degrees, index finger 60 degrees, middle finger 45 degrees, ring finger 30 degrees, and our pinky being 0 degrees. We'll begin with 45 degrees. So we're going to put down or cover up 45 degrees, and then that's going to leave us with 2 to the left of the finger we put down and 2 to the right of the finger we put down. So what we do now is we take the amount of fingers to the left of the finger we put down, which is 2, and we're going to plug that into the equation on the bottom for x, which is going to give us radical 2 over 2 for the left side. Then we're going to do the same for the right side, and we got 2 fingers to the right of the finger we put down. So we're going to plug that in for x, which is going to give us radical 2 over 2 on the right side. Left side is going to be our x coordinate, right side is going to be our y coordinate. So the coordinate for 45 degrees is going to be radical 2 over 2, comma radical 2 over 2. Now for 60 degrees. So we're going to cover up or put down our index finger for 60 degrees, which is going to give us 1 finger to the left side, and it's going to give us 3 fingers to the right side. So for left side, we're going to plug in 1 for x, which is going to give us radical 1 over 2, radical 1 being 1, so it's going to be 1/2 for the left side. And now for the right side, we're going to plug in 3 for x, which is going to give us radical 3 over 2 on the right side. Left side being x coordinate, right side being y coordinate. The coordinate for 60 degrees is going to be 1/2, comma radical 3 over 2. Now for 30 degrees. So we're going to put down our ring finger for 30 degrees, which is going to give us 3 to the left side of the finger we put down and 1 to the right side of the finger we put down. And we do the same thing again. So we're going to plug in 3 for the left side for x. So the left side is going to be radical 3 over 2. And now for the right side, we have 1 finger to the right. So we're going to plug in 1 for x, which is going to give us radical 1 over 2, or 1/2. Left side being x coordinate, right side being y coordinate. Coordinate for 30 degrees is going to be radical 3 over 2, comma 1/2. Now for 90 degrees. So we're going to put down our thumb, and it's going to be a little bit different than the rest we've been doing. Because now, to the left side, we have no fingers, which means that the x for the left side is going to be 0, and then we have 4 fingers to the right side, which means our x for the right side is going to be 4. So we're going to plug in 0 for x for the left side, which is going to give us radical 0 over 2, which is 0 for the left side. And then we're going to plug in 4 for the right side, which is going to give us radical 4 over 2, radical 4 being 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, so the coordinate for 90 degrees is going to be 0, comma 1. Now for 0 degrees. So we're going to put down our pinky, which is going to leave us 4 to the left side of the finger we put down, which is going to be the just flipped compared to 90 degrees. So we have 4 to the left side, and we're going to have 0 to the right side. So for left side, we're going to plug in 4 for x, which is going to give us radical 4 over 2, radical 4 being 2, which is going to give us 2 over 2, or 1. And then for the right side, we're going to plug in 0 for x, which is radical 0 over 2, radical 0, 0, radical 0 being 0, 0 over 2 is 0. 0 degrees coordinate is going to be 1, comma 0. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.